Where did that spring come from?
I have no idea, dude. Welcome back to Broadcast Performance, guys.
What's going on, guys?
What are we up to today, Matt?
Alright, so we're going to try and show you, hopefully, how to fix the regulator on your air compressor. We got an electric motor air compressor here where the actual, you want to come around here maybe?
Yeah.
The actual fitting of the air compressor here has snapped right off because it's plastic. So we're gonna try and replace it with parts that I bought. Just buying them willy-nilly. We'll see if they're the right ones or not. So dive along into this with us. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
We're gonna start by trying to take this plastic off the top so we can see what we're doing here.
Yeah, we're gonna. I see 4 on here, and keep in mind. This looks like a clip right here, right? Yeah, there's clips as well.
Well, there's one there.
Let's see what's on the back side here. Looks like nothing. So maybe we can just unclip it. Here, let me get some screwdrivers.
Yep.
All right.
We got any more? One right here.
Right here.
One on your side. Oh, right here. Can you turn that so it fits towards the hole? There we go. Okay, guys, just popped clips around the edge, and it looks like it's coming off here. Okay, we did find one screw right here in the back.
Show them over here.
Yeah, you can kind of see it from there, but then in the front there might have used to been one too, but it's not on this particular one.
So we'll unscrew that guy real quick.
Okay, and she pops off nice and exposes a big ass fucking rat nest in there.
Awesome.
That's what you get when you find a free air compressor.
Yeah. Alright. Well, I couldn't expect anything less, honestly, at this point.
I'm gonna leave that one for you. You can
alright.
You take care of that one.
Yeah, I'll take care of that. You want some in your beer?
No.
Alright, I got you.
Not in the beer.
In the beers.
I like your technique there, like dog poop.
Well, I know there's a lot of rat shit in there, so. And in theory, at one point, I'll be able to have an air compressor to blow the rest of this off.
Yeah, look at this crazy thing. It's like a piston here, and then it's like a cooling fan through the piston rod. Now you can see it better. The regulator is broke off right there where the light is shining too brightly. So, we're going to try and fix that.
Let's do it. Do it.
Looks like right here is where the main port of the air comes out, and we're going to take this nut off of here. Probably squirt a little sauce on there.
Let's go with some PB sauce.
PB sauce.
Peanut butter sauce. Peanut butter sauce. Peanut butter sauce.
It's like our peanut butter butter. So here's what we got. We got a regulator with a gauge. We got a fitting for a new to hook our new airline up to, and then this one hopefully will.
It'll be a coupling piece between the regulator and the
and the tank.
Well, no, it has one between the tank to this.
Oh, and then we need to go from this to that.
Yep. So we just need to go from this regulator to this coupler. So this should go from here to here. And this should go from here to there, and this goes in here.
Okay. So
in theory,
we're gonna take this off with what I think is a 9/16.
something.
Okay, we're gonna take this gauge off because it's kind of in our way for like turning this off. And then this isn't broken, so we might save that and find something else for it someday.
In the future.
Or not.
7/16 is what we've deemed is good for this, but yours may be different. And once you get it loose, it's literally hand tight loose.
Okay, so we got the gauge off. We're going for this little guy right here.
Yep, we're going to take 9/16 and try to take this fitting off now. Oh.
Okay, so in theory, you wouldn't actually need the regulator. You can just run right off of here if you wanted to. But we're going to put the regulator on there because we like to run different kind of air tools and paint guns and stuff.
Exactly.
Okay, so we took the fitting out of the regulator, which we broke taking the fitting out of.
Yeah, she broke.
Which is fine. So we're going to put this fitting back in there, or are we going to put it on the regulator?
I think we're going to put it probably back in. We'll probably put it in the regulator first, but it's going to go back into the original port it came out of.
So there's an arrow on here. Probably says which direction it goes.
No, we're going to figure that out. I would assume it's this side.
145 psi. Can't read it. Usually there's an arrow on these, but apparently not today.
Nah, this is.
Oh, is there an arrow on this side? Right there. There's the arrow.
Oh, so that's in.
This is the way that airflow is going to travel right there.
Okay, so it needs to go like this.
Yep, just like that.
All right.
Same on both sides?
Yeah, for the most part. I just want to make sure that I was putting the right side, the correct side. Yeah. Problem is, the regulator needs to come out right here. Nope.
No, that'll. Maybe we want to use the other gauge on it. We can use the other gauge on it. Because, like, so it's pointing up. You know, because that one's not going to point up. This one, right? It'd be like that.
Oh, that would be better. Well,
but ideally it'd be on this side, though, right?
Right.
So we can.
So could we take that out? On the other side?
What I would do is I'd try and turn this one more full time around.
All right. I don't know if it has it in it though.
Turn as far as you can get on the wrench, and then try and tighten this onto that fitting.
No, give it your own little ugga dugga there, and let me tell me if you think it's going to full rotation.
Oh yeah.
You think so?
I would. You have that that channel locks? I want to try and tighten this onto the fitting a little bit tighter, instead of just tightening the fitting into the air compressor. So ideally with like pipe fittings, you want to get it as tight as you can, and then you turn it the direction you want it pointing.
So you want to tighten that now?
Yep, tighten. Go ahead and write how you got it there. It should give you just enough.
Ooh.
Open it up one more, Jaw. Yep. Perfect. Are we gonna get enough? Oh, we're not gonna be able to turn it anymore.
No, I can't turn anymore.
Here, let me see. You hold the camera. We got the leverage side here. And be careful not to break the important plastic pieces. There we go. Oh, a little bit more.
Perfect.
Okay, so we got, on this side we have a plug, which is where we had our original gauge. So we're going to take that plug out, put our gauge in there, and then take that plug and put it in this hole.
Oh, I see.
Just like that.
Alright.
We're going to use the original gauge, not the one that came with this regulator. So it's a good thing that we did take this off.
Let's mop this up real quick. I think, yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna...
Oh, no, not quite. Oh, it will.
Yeah, so that's gonna... Grab the other gauge once.
The other gauge,
so you guys can see,
the one that came with this regulator, would go off to the side like this.
Right, and we want it to point up so we can see it with the cover on. So we're gonna use the one that was on here.
Alright, let's do her.
So what we got is a 5mm Allen wrench to take the plug out of that side of the regulator.
Where did that spring come from?
I have no idea, dude. Okay, so it's plugged on this side. Now air will come out. And we are going to put this hoochie mabobber on this side here.
Hoochie mabobber.
Hoochie madial, this boost gauge. It goes like to 100 psi. Next we're gonna put a fitting in there.
Thread locked on both sides. Alright,
what we got next?
We gotta put the end fittings on, but we're gonna pause that and I'm gonna go get another beer.
Pause. Beer break.
Beer break.
This 30-second break is brought to you by Pipeworks, or we're bringing Pipeworks to you during this break. And what is this? It's Imperial Coconut Jones Dog Stout. We'll be trying this.
Ooh.
Pipeworks is out of Chicago. They make lots of fine brews.
Hells yeah.
Cheers, mate.
Nostrovia. It's pretty spectacular.
That's not bad at all, yeah. I like that.
Yeah. One of those Girl Scout cookies. The,
Samoas? Yeah. What percent does it say on there?
10.5.
10.5. I was going to say 9 at least.
Yeah.
So for 10.5, actually, it's pretty mellow. It's not that boozy.
It really
It's not that
really
boozy
is.
for
No.
10.5. Yeah.
And the logo is pretty...
The Jones dog? Yeah, let's give him another look at that real quick. Let's see. Yeah, it's a dog wearing sunglasses because he's badass. And the piece de la resistance is the part that hooks the hose up to that thing. And it is black and gold, and I think Matt bought it because he knows that's my favorite two colors.
Yours. Also, some mine.
BA Performance's favorite two colors.
Don't act like it's just you.
Now, you can go on there with a pipe wrench, or a crescent wrench, or a monkey wrench.
No, I need to go on there with something that's not going to fucking...
Or...
screw that up too much.
We don't want to mar it, because, we're fancy like that. So we're going to use a ratchet wrench. Because we ratchet.
I don't know about a ratchet wrench, but whatever I can find first that'll fit on it.
Bigger. More big.
It's the biggest I got, man.
That's what she said.
That's my joke. Damn it, Dwight.
There you go. Putting the adjustable hammer on there. Sweet.
I don't know if this is gonna fit on there anymore, but we'll see.
Oh yeah. Well, in that something.
She would need some trimming, I think.
There you go. There you go. You got it. Come from the left. Go to the right.
Yeah.
Shimmy hickey. Wait, no,
that's simple.
Hold on.
I took the handlebar.
You gotta go this way.
Oh.
No, still negative. So we're gonna cut the plastic because honestly we weren't even gonna put that back on there, but we're gonna.
Thing is, what do I cut it with? I got something somewhere.
That metal shear.
Cut to a break and we'll figure it out.
You could have at least blasted in the rims, man. Or no, blasted in the rims.
Blasted in the rims, man.
What's happening here? I don't understand what's happening here right now. Hold on. Okay, here we go.
Okay, guys, Matt's got a hacksaw, and we're gonna hack this apart right here.
All right.
We chopped that out right there, weight reduction.
Yeah, you don't need all this junk.
Yeah, basically the cover, you know, it's got like this little tray here you can set tools on, and then it keeps you from putting your fingers into this piston and stuff right here.
Which is good to have, especially when you consider this little dinky fan they got there. Anything that gets in there is going to be a problem. So, you know, just, you know, if you're going to modify it, chop this piece, make the room.
Yeah, no big loss.
No.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna fit that on there now.
Alright, here we go. Look at that fitment.
Yeah, and we're not gonna even put that bolt back in the back because we're not shipping this or anything. It's staying right here. Okay. Yeah, look at this gold and this black, dude. That's pretty hot. I like it.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't even think this piece would have fit in there. This seems a little bit lower, almost, right?
It's hard to tell because the regulator that was on here was already
look
broken.
how our gauge came out. Like that's nice, dude. It lines right up with the hole.
I like it.
Yeah. What do you think? Plug it in?
Yeah. And by the way, if you're looking for any of these parts, they're all from Menards. You may not have them in your area.
Menards.
Sucks to be you.
Yeah. Big tank.
True.
Big tank.
So, we'll let it run for a few minutes and see how things go.
Oh, definitely not. Okay. The air compressor is full of air. If you guys can see through the dark shade of this, that says like 145. This dial here says like 105. That's what we got the pressure regulator set to. Does it work? Is that said it worked, Matt?
Oh, it works.
Do it again for the... Pow. That's all it takes, guys. We just popped a new regulator on there. This thing works fine as hell. Put the plastic cover on there, cut it out here. It's got a freaking beer holder right on it there for us.
Doesn't get better than that.
So, if anybody learned anything from this video, Matt, what should they do?
Do it the cheap way. Guess what? It works.
So, thumbs up this video, guys. Comment if you would have done it differently.
Yeah, buddy.
Or don't. Whatever.
Let us know, guys. So, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, or whatever it is. Take care, guys.
Peace out.